Okay, children. Who can do 35 into 4? You do? Okay. Do. Say, what are you doing? Say.
35.
Say, what are you doing?
10 3 30.
3 times 30. Here, put here.
6 5.
5 ones 5. 35. Okay.
Uh,
3 times 30. 5 ones 5. 35. Okay. 2 times over. Akshay. Next. 5. 5. 3 times over. Next. Listen, all of you. Okay. 35. Okay, now what to do? 4 times 35. Okay. Now what to do now? ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు? యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ యాడ్ వన్స్. ఫస్ట్ యాడ్ వన్స్. యాడ్ వన్స్, ఆల్ యాడ్ వన్స్. 5 5 10. What to do now? 10.
1 bundle.
Make one bundle. Make bundle. Make it bundle. Make it as bundle. Okay, bundle. Next add these. 5 5 10. So it is also make bundle. Okay. Okay. Next 2 bundles. Next add
3 bundles.
3 to 5. 5. 6 7 8
9 10.
10 bundles. 10 bundles. How to do? Make big bundle. Make it as big bundle. 100 bundle. Make it as big bundle. Make it as a 100 bundle. It is 100 bundle. Okay. Next 20 30 40. 100 40. How much? 100 and
140.
140. So 35 into 4 is 140. I hope you understood how to do multiplication 2 digit with 1 digit with the help of using TLM. Glue sticks or bundle of sticks. Okay? Class for all of you. Very good. Well done. So if you practice well, you get perfect. So all of you do practice. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Well done.